how to organize your photos on a Mac. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is begin with the library. In the library tab, you can see a curated view of your best moments and browse by years, months, days, or all photos for a complete library. You can view your entire library of photos and videos that you have taken each year. You can also use the showing menu in the photos library so that you see only what you want. For example, you can choose to show only photos or only videos. To filter what you see, go to the photos tab, click the showing pop-up menu, then choose an option. To undo the filter, click the showing pop-up menu, then click all the items. Now the other one is memories. In the memories tab, you can view curated collections of your photos and videos. After that is albums. In the album section, you can browse your photo albums, shared albums, and automatic collection of different types of photos and videos like panoramas, selfies, slow motions, and time lapse. You can even look at your photos arranged on a world map in the places album or browse your photos based on who's in them in the people album as well. When you use iCloud photos, the changes you make to your albums on one device appear on your other devices too. If you want to change the name of an album, simply rename album and change the name and press the return key. You can also share your album with the selected people. You can choose whether people can add their own photos, videos, and comments as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.